Assalamualaikum guys, a very good evening all of guys. How to make a CV on graph on your Google or Google account, and that should be graphical. I want also show to you and my own CV that I have make. Like this is alias and my profession engineer, and this is my address. If you see, you can see the Miro Khan Chowk near central whatever. Like this is my birthday, and this is my number and this is my Gmail, profession, education, and so like this is my picture. So whatever you want, give profession, education, experience, like a software and like a language, Hindi, Urdu, and English. If you like, I have done Chinese. So whatever you have done, you can give on your CV curriculum vitae, and which was very important for us. So first, of you have net access. So that like I am going on Google. So this is the Google, and if you go and you have to search here Google. Yes, I am doing so. So here we go. If you can't see it, let me make it zoom so that you can. So this is the Google interface. You can easily access yourself. So let me write a CV and crop it. So here we go. So this is a CV craft, and when you open this one, you will be in a position to find such type of the interface like a online CV builder, professional CV maker, CV craft. So when you will write on Google, and when you Google engine and you search this word, and then you will find such type of interface. So you have to click it, and you have to click. After clicking, you will find such type of interface like a CV, create CV and sign. Because now you have to sign in and sign up your account so that you can also save your account CV when you need, or when you want change or modification, you can anytime or any place, so you can do like that. So guys, I want to give you demo. So after in a position, you will also make your own CV. Now I'm going to like in a create CV. So you have to also click it. After hitting it, we will come in that interface. Sorry guys, and now you can see here we have a new interface that you have to face it. And so now you will come in like in that page. So here if you see, you can see like a CV template. A CV template, you have to select different template, different page or different, I say. And let me open this one. So this is we have the different, like if I select anyone, I can select, but here all these are that you can't select because they are only the free template. Like these are this one, and this one. You can suppose I am now selecting this one. Okay, so when I will click it, so I will find here the page like this one. So guys, if you see, you can see I want interface. Now you have to select like a picture. So you have to click on picture, and now it's the option for you. If you see, you can see here, this is the add photo. You can also add photo from your on your desktop, or where you have photo save. Like on this is the desktop edit. I can like this. I'm taking my own picture, and after clicking, I will have to open it. When I will open it with open that my picture, I will find it. Now this is you can see it. So you can also increase the like setting. I say you can your highlight or whatever you can want. And now like I say, this is a save option. So this is going to be now save, and I have to close the window. So when I will close, I will find my picture in like in this profile. So you can also add your own picture, guys. So if I talk about data, now how you will make your profile, like, and now this is the Jane Simon. So this is not your name. If you want add your name, want your add your address or profile, whatever. So if you come on end of like in this, so this is a, like a, now if you see, you can see here, if I coming in this like in color option, I can see here if I can different give color. Now if you see, while changing these color, I am looking the different color are also like in background, or the in like in circle of my picture is also moving. So select any color. Like if you want change language, you can select any language. If like English, you can see English, or pick up any font, like in if you want which tone should be, or what should be a font or letter that you want. So see all over, if you see, so if you gonna give your own education background, you can give, like now suppose you have education start from the May, and if you want give your year, whatever you see, and if you want give your month and end, I mean this is the start of education, you have to start, and when you did your end date education, you have to give your month as well as the year. That is whatever you, now this is the year date. If you give your own, so whatever, this is not, this is just I am clicking you, just giving you demo. Now this is like your school name. Now suppose I am giving the mute as Zeb yeah, Khairpur, whatever you. And so this is a depend on you that which university you are, like this is your main visiting. If like now I'm like engineer, I say I can write like an engineer, and you can give guys and your own. So you make like you have to add this one. So while adding, I will be, if you want to give more, you are like this is the one. Now if I this is school background, if you want to give your education from the college, or you can give. So if you make a profile, so this is your profile, and whatever why you are applying like this one. Suppose as in my CV you can see here that I have shown in here things that like my profile that the looking for career opportunity in organization when I could work under the profession, whatever like you want to write, you can write. And after you will be in a position to like this is a experience like what in where you have done. Like if I can show you, I can show you in my CV like I have experience in Karachi textile and like a limited company internship I have done 13 days. If I talk about another experience, Karachi tool dice KTDMC like in 15 days internship I have done, Jamshore power plant I have done. So if you have your own experience you can give, and so that you can make your own CV heavy and more impact when you send your own any company or industry or any university for master degree or foreign, you can guys make your own. So this is guys a language problem. If you want to give like a language, now I know the Chinese, I know like whatever. If suppose I know Sindhi language, I have to write the Sindhi. No, if I know whatever any language, if you want, you can add like if I know Chinese. So you have to add all these language, like suppose Chinese and so yes, this is the Chinese. So you make, and now you have to give the rating. I know Chinese, but how much Chinese? No, suppose I have done 2 level, I can write 2 level. So if you know how much, whatever, suppose like if you say this is next as this step, like now if you see in this, if you can like now you have to do your own. What do you know about the like software? What do you have like? If I can show you my CV that I have software like I have done SolidWorks, computer aid design. I like I have done CAD, I have done computer CFD, computer field dynamic, or I have whatever. Guys, you can give, so that like here if you have hobby you can give your personality, and you can give hobby. So just put and add it, and after you will see like and now in that way. So okay, you see now everything will be changed. Like I have done in the French, English, or these steps are experience going to be changed. So now last step guys is very important for if you want get in PDF. You can get PDF like, and this is the end after download, save in PDF. You can click it just, and after you have to see you will find the type of now it's necessary you must make your own account. Without making account you cannot save it. So your own email, like this is the Gmail. So if I say, I can say like I have in copy. So this is the Zahid Bangwar, my friend, who has given me to his own what I say Gmail. So you have to also make your own Gmail, and after you have to add your password YXYZ, whatever you know. So after when you will finish to and like create and that account, and then it will option come to you, you are saving in which profile or which like in desktop you want save deform or CRD wherever you can see. So guys, this was just a example that if you want make your own CV, you can make like I have shown to already to you. This is my CV, and if you are interested to make your own CV, you can make. So guys, this was video about the CV. Thanks to Allah Nagawan. Take care.